In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music for all slides in PowerPoint. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, you'll have a single audio track playing smoothly from the first slide all the way to the last one. This is perfect for things like photo slideshows, self-running presentations, or any deck where you want consistent background music. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and going to the slide where you want the music to begin. For most people, that's the very first slide. With that slide selected, look at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert ribbon, find the Media group. Then click on Audio and choose Audio on my PC, or a similar option depending on your version of PowerPoint. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your music file is saved. It's best to use a common format like MP3 or WAV for fewer compatibility issues. Select the track you want, then click Insert. You'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This icon represents your audio file. Now, with the speaker icon selected, a new set of audio tools will appear at the top, usually with a playback tab. Click on Playback. This is where you control how your music behaves during the presentation. Under Start, change the setting from on-click to automatically so the music begins as soon as the slide appears during your slideshow. Next, look for an option called Play in Background or, in some versions, settings like Play across slides and Loop until stopped. If there's a Play in Background button, clicking it will usually enable all the right options at once. Start automatically, Play across slides, and Loop. If you don't see that button, manually check Play across slides so the audio continues when you move to the next slide, and turn on Loop until stopped, if you want the music to restart automatically when it reaches the end. If the speaker icon is distracting, you can make it less noticeable. With it selected, you can drag it to a corner of the slide, or, in the Playback tab, choose the option to hide the icon during the show. Just remember that if you hide it, the audio must be set to start automatically. Finally, test everything. Go to the Slideshow tab and start the presentation from the beginning. Click through your slides and listen to make sure the music starts on the first slide, continues across all slides, and loops if needed. If the volume feels too loud or too soft, you can adjust it from the Playback tab or directly in your computer's audio settings until it matches the tone of your presentation.